What's up? Welcome back to Talk to Me, Talk to Me, Talk to Me Tuesday. Okay, listen. I need you to have a seat. These words need to change your life. Right now, in this moment, your past does not define you. I don't know who needs to hear that, but maybe I need to get a megaphone and say it again a little bit louder. Your past does not determine your future. That was so dramatic. But I need you to know that your past does not determine your future. It does not define you. Listen, let me tell you. If my past defined me, under Michale Taylor, it would say broken, broke, unworthy, not enough, loud, obnoxious, annoying, teacher tormentor. I had to put that one in, okay? I got voted teacher tormentor, okay? Y'all know how many teachers I got to torment to get voted teacher tormentor? A lot, okay? Check. Mission accomplished. That was my goal. But guess what? That was my goal. That doesn't define me today. I know who I am. So now when you type in Michale Taylor, all of that has been Control, Alt, deleted, okay? It's a new slate. And now that it's a clean slate, you get to determine what goes under your name. You get to determine. I didn't say your friend. I ain't say your boyfriend. I ain't say your mama, your daddy, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your stepbrother. Okay? You. So, are you going to let somebody else, something else, or the past determine or define you? That's the ultimate question. Or are you going to be the co-creator of your life and say, you know what? I'm bossy. I'm the one that, I'm sorry, no, I don't even know the words. But you get what I'm saying. You claim that. Are you going to claim who you are? Because I could write you a permission slip if that's what you need. You need a permission slip to claim who you are? To walk in your worth? Because I will most definitely write you up one and give you a permission slip if that's what you need. Your past doesn't define you. Right now, today, in this moment, you can decide to make different decisions. You can decide to be the highest and most authentic version of yourself. You can decide to have positive thoughts. Okay? Very simple. You have a negative thought, you let that baby ride, okay? Analyze it real quick, okay, where you come from? Yeah, I ain't rocking with you. Bye. I am worthy. I am strong. I am a leader. I am a champion. I am a winner. Bye, negative thought. And then eventually, your default is going to be what defines you. The default that you put into place. So you got to ask yourself, what's it going to be? Are you going to be, measly, miserable, I don't even know. I was going to say Mecca, but that wasn't going to make sense. You get what I'm saying. Are you going to be this miserable, unworthy person? Or are you going to be this light, loving, joyful, happy, whole person? Because whichever one you get to choose, whichever one you choose is the one you're going to be. You got the power to choose that. So, what's it going to be? That's all I got for you guys. Peace.